Today, I'm going to show you how you can direct message people on Twitter. So let's put my phone screen up here next to me. So here we are on Twitter's home screen, and down here in the bottom right corner, you see a little envelope. You click on that and hit write a message. So let's search for a Swedish fika. Here we go, and click next. And at the bottom here, you see I can write a message, testing to DM. I can add a picture or a GIF if I want to, but in this case, I'm just clicking the arrow. And here it shows up in the conversation. So let's switch to a Swedish fika. Down here you see the envelope has a blue little one next to it, and here is the DM I just sent. So let's send a reply. It works. So before I continue, let's move over to my web page so we can take a look at how it looks there. And here you can see by messages, it has that blue little one next to it. So I click there, and here is the message. And as you can see, this is a dialogue. So my initial message is up here, and the message I got back is there. I can send an emoji. I can write another comment down here if I want to. Now let me show you how you can DM a group of people. So let's search for PixelPia. Here we have PixelPia, and let's add a Swedish fika. Now I have 2 people in this group. Next, and testing a group DM. And you can see at the top here, this is sent to PixelPia and a Swedish fika. Let's go back and switch account here. Let's go to PixelPia first. She has a new message, and here on the top is the message from PixelPia tutorial added you. There are 2 people, other people in this group, and you can see it's PixelPia tutorial, and it is a Swedish fika. Let's send an answer here. Works. And now let's switch over to a Swedish fika. Go to messages. And now when I open this, we have the original message and we have the reply from PixelPia here too. And now let's go back to where we started. And here we have the whole conversation. Remember, if I send something here now, this will be sent to every person that is a part of the group. In this case, I just added 2 accounts and they are both mine. So be very careful when you use the group DM. If I want to send something to only one of them, I can click on that profile and then click on the little message up here. And now I have a message to only one person. DMs can be very useful when you need to talk to one specific person or to a group. But as I said, be careful. You don't want to send a message to a group that is meant for just one person. Until next time, hej då!